Hi, my name is John, with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to properly clean your scanner glass. So if you've ever been using your scanner, whether it be through the document feeder at the top or using the actual scanner glass itself and seeing marks on your paper, something similar to this, like a vertical line or spots on the paper, then you probably need to clean the scanner glass. But there's a few things that some people don't know that we just wanted to show you today. So the first thing you're going to need is a towel or a paper towel, something lint-free. You're not going to want to leave a lot of dust behind. Your favorite glass cleaner. And one of the biggest tips I can tell you is you never want to apply the glass cleaner to the glass itself. You always want to apply your cleaner to a paper towel or whatever lint-free cloth you're using. So you don't need a whole lot. There's also, on most models of printers that have a scanner on them, you're going to have two separate sections of scanner glass. There's going to be a small narrow section of scanner glass, which is going to be for your document feeders whenever you feed papers to the top. And there's going to be your large plate glass scanner, which is going to be for whenever you actually scan paper that is laying on that. So you want to make sure you clean both of them. So you're just going to take your paper towel with your glass cleaner and just make sure you clean very well.
Yes.
We'll also go over since we're here, you might as well clean both.
Give me the printer, Mom.
Dry part and come back, make sure it's all dry. We don't want to leave any moisture behind.
It's a color machine, right?
Yes, it is. It has drums, toner.
And you just want to double check and kind of look at it from different angles. Make sure that there's no ink or whiteout. That's usually what you'll find kind of built up on this, especially this little piece of glass here. And once everything looks nice and clean, then you're good to go. You're back up and scanning. Whenever next time you make a copy, you shouldn't have to worry about any kind of blemishes or marks like that on your paper. Thank you very much.